In a quiet town lived a fluffy orange cat, bright, bold, and totally obsessed with pizza.
One stolen bite changed everything. Cheese, crust, sauce. He was in love.
Fish? No chicken? Nope. Kibble? Don't even ask. Only pizza made the cut. He became a legend. Fans watched through windows as he devoured his slices like royalty.
By the oven, under the table, center stage on the kitchen floor, wherever pizza was, he was too.
One bite tuna detected, flick, glare. Message received, never mess with pizza.
Full belly, sunny nap. For this cat, pizza wasn't just food, it was everything.